Good morning, students. So we already learned how to calculate mean of the given data and means frequency, how to create the frequency distribution table, whatever it is we learned already. So next we are going to learn about how to represent the data on the graphical representation of data. Okay, so by using different method we can represent all these data in the on the graph that you learn in the class 8 also. You know what is bar graph, pie chart, and again histogram, whatever it is you learn in the class 8 also. Okay, so here you have to um, learn about frequency polygon also. Okay, so let us start the exercise directly. I will tell you how to make this graph according with the question. Okay, so first question I am starting exercise 14.3, question number 1. A survey conducted by an organization for the cause of illness and death among the women between the ages 15 to 44 in years worldwide found the following figures in percentage. So some cases causes are here and female fatality rate is given here. We have to represent the information given above graphically. So this information we should represent by using graph. Next, which condition is major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide? So it is, we can compare the data, then we can write this second question. Okay, so try to find out with the help of your teacher any two factors which play a major role in the cause, second above being the major cause. So that is a common question only. We can write it in our own words. First two questions I will explain how to write this. Okay, so first represent the information given above graphically. So what are the informations given here? One is causes and female fatality rate, correct? So first of all we can represent these data by using bar graph. Okay, so you know that what is bar graph. If we are putting just bar, then if you are representing the data, then it is called bar graph. So this causes we can represent on the x-axis. So first draw the x-axis and y-axis, make the interval same. If it is 1 2 3 4, all these intervals should be in the same distance, 1 centimeter or 1 point centimeter as you wish. Okay, next, if you are representing these data, how can we represent this data on the y-axis? On the y-axis you can write it as 5 10 15 because these data are in between, means very closer to the multiples of 5, correct? So we can start with 5 because the lowest number is 4.1, so we can start with 5 and end with 35 or 40, whatever it is. You can write some numbers on the y-axis. Here I mentioned 0 5 10 15 and continuing like this. So first condition, reproductive health conditions, what is the percentage? 31.8. so you should use the graph paper, so easily you can mark 31.8, right? So after 30, 31, 32, 32. So in between 31 and 32 you can mark 31.8. Then from here to 1 centimeter to next 1 centimeter, draw one bar here, then draw two straight line. Okay, that is the method. Next, 25.4. So 25.4, it should be in between 25 and 26. So here it comes 26. So around this 26. Next, after leaving 1 centimeter, again take 1 centimeter length bar, draw one bar here, then join these two. Next, 12.4. After this 12 and 13 you can mark 12.5. just draw the bar graph just like this, complete all these conditions. So this is the graphical representation. Okay, so all the rectangle bars are of the same width and have equal spacing between them. So these space should be equal, and distance between two rectangular box, this distance also should be equal in all the cases. Okay, that 2 points you should remember. Next, which condition is the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide? So if you are checking which is the highest value, this first one 31.8 is the highest value among all these values, right? So we can write reproductive health condition is the major cause of the women's ill health and death worldwide, as because it is 31.8 percentage. This is the highest rate. Okay, so next, we can write, try to find out with the help of your teacher in two factors which play a major role in the cause. So we can write the factors are follows: the lack of medical, maybe in some area maybe they are not getting the medical facility, so we can write that reason, the lack of medical facility. Or second one, lack of current knowledge of the treatment, because this medical field is updating day by day, right? So if it is not updating accordingly, maybe they that area will be in the backward, correct? So that will also affect the treatment. So we can write these 2 points there. Okay, so next question number 2 I will explain in the next video. Okay.